We have our matte porcelain gray 12 by 24 tile, and we're going to wrap it up the curb, 8-inch piece. That's the cutoff right there. We're also going to have an 8-inch piece on the other side of this bathroom floor, so it's going to look super clean. The floor is going to flow up and over the curb. Shower pan is in. We need to make 2 cuts, 2 little notch cuts right there. Moving right along, let's knock this floor out, and that'll be it for today. Here we go. We are making progress. 4-foot decorative tiles going up on this back wall. Chevron style deco tiles. guys, shower is prepped, clean, and ready for grout. We will be grouting Prism Natural Gray to hide all of these grout joints. Let's get to it. Grout party, here we come. I really love these microfiber sponges from RTC, Russo Trading Company, for the final wipe down of our showers. Today is our final day of our project. A beautiful shower, beautiful bathroom remodel. I'm headed to Lowe's Blows right now to pick up diamond drill bits to install our grab bar, to install our handheld sprayer. So we have a list of miscellaneous items to complete. Load up the tools, hitch up the trailer, go to the dump, and most importantly, as per usual, collect our final payment. And then we move on to the next project. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the bathroom remodel is finally complete. Let's show you the final result. Everything looks great. Everybody is happy. Beautiful shower. Here we go. And here it is. Our custom frameless glass doors have been installed. Beautiful panel. And here is the shower, full laticrete waterproofing. Behind this beautiful walk-in shower, laticrete chrome grate. All of the fixtures are chrome in this bathroom. High-end valve and trim kit. Handheld shower head. Beautiful decorative 4-foot tiles installed on the back wall here. The field wall tile is a 16 by 36. Concrete look, matte finish porcelain. Let's take a quick look at the niche. 16-inch by 16-inch. Full tiles at the bottom, trimmed out with a Schluter Jolly, a matte gray concrete look Schluter Jolly. Fulls above as well. We installed a 2-inch hex porcelain pan tile, proper pitch, proper slope to the drain. Nice low profile curb, 3 inches by 3 inches. Again trimmed out with Schluter Jolly. This shower is ready for use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon for the next video, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.